So what if dominant teams from different eras, for example, Ponting's team from 2003 to 4 is Australian, sorry, 2003 to 7. Then there's
Yeah.
Virat Kohli's India from 2018 to 20 till now, whatever the time period
Hmm.
is. Uh, Dhoni's team from probably like 2013 Champions Trophy. If all
Dude, like
these,
I want to go like West Indies 92. Like
oh,
West Indies in 92 was like,
do you know,
like
Hmm.
do you know
Then you
just
can
anything
go to
all
about?
Pakistan when they won the 1999
correct,
also. There also you
correct.
can go.
Yeah, so basically all these teams, they obviously at some point were so dominant that other teams never stood a chance. Like it was a
Yeah,
if there was a series of say 4 games or 5 games, if the other team who's going in as the underdog even wins like 1 or 2 games, it's a huge victory for them. It's as if they won the series because they've won against that particular team. Like
yeah.
VVS Lakshman and Dravid when they won the game for India in that test match in
That
2001.
Calcutta in
Yeah,
Calcutta, yeah,
Calcutta Test
against
match.
Australia, where
Yeah,
they
Hmm.
were, I think Lakshman had fever
yeah. No, no. Dravid
and
had fever, and
Dravid had
Lakshman
fever.
had
Lakshman had a
back pass. Yeah, back
back
spasm.
pain, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And for 2 days they batted, right? For
2 days they
two
batted.
days they batted against Australia, dude. And that time Australia was
Australia was
like,
that was
yeah.
Ponting's Australia basically. मतलब वो Steve Waugh
So
वाला
thing
था,
is,
not Ponting.
Ponting, yeah. Steve was more scarier, like game wise, and
Yeah,
Ponting was more scarier, like strategic wise, because they
yeah,
all were good with everything. But
yeah.
Steve was team also, dude. Steve team
I
also
mean,
was
their
like,
team was an all-star team. It's like how
yeah, yeah, yeah,
India is right now.
yeah.
Virat Kohli's team with Rohit Sharma, all of these players who are there, young players and everyone. तो वो वाला scene ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ था. And so basically, this idea came to me when I was watching the Australia documentary on Prime. And
The
I was like,
test.
oh shit. So there was a comparison made between Ponting and Kohli that, there were very few batsmen who could come into bat and hit the first ball for on drive. And only one Ponting used to do it, and now Virat Kohli does it. Like they are so
Virat Kohli.
confident. The confidence that they walk into bat with, it's just on a different level. And then I saw India's bowling in that second test match, even though they lost. The whole body line technique where they were hitting the batsmen on their body, with the bouncers and everything. Like Australian batsmen were
Yeah.
scared for the first time of Indian bowlers. So it just got me to think, ki, what if Ponte, like Virat Kohli's this team, the 2018 team, with all the pace battery and all the batsmen that they have, what if they face like the likes of Gilchrist, Hayden, Ponting's whole aggressive team that was
Yeah,
purported to be
yeah,
the
yeah.
best in the world for the longest
Yeah.
time,
At that, for a, yeah, yeah, yeah.
and they won
Dude,
three
that
World Cups
team,
on the trot. Like that's not
yeah.
good.
And the
99,
thing is,
2000.
as much as I'm an Indian cricket like fan, at that point I really looked up to the Australian cricket team.
Yeah.
Fuck, the whole squad was like, wow, dude. You look at that, like every single person can contribute in almost all areas, or can help each other contribute in
Yeah,
some sense.
fielding side, bench
Everything, dude.
side, yeah, right
Dude,
from
they
yeah,
had Clark, they had Simons, they had in bowling, they had like Lee, they had Magra and Lee together, dude. That was like the best like duo that I do. Like it just felt so good to see them like bowl. Not against India, it was good to see them bowl. Because I still remember. I think 2000 was it 2007 or 2003 when Magra bowled that Sachin ka aur usne upar mara aur wo catch pakad liya. That
2003,
like
maybe.
yeah, that was such a bad, and it was a bad World Cup for us. But what a bad like because of
I think that
Australian
World Cup
team.
was it was okay. We went till the finals and then
Finals, no,
beating
yeah.
Australia when they scored 359.
It was
Impossible. So
impossible to catch
finals tak
Ponting.
पहुंचे, that was good.
I feel like us time pe we didn't
Hmm.
have that capability to be like, hey, you know what? I think right now also if we give that target, they'll be like, you know what, we can try doing it, and they'll try actually doing it. But I feel like us time pe 359 was looked down
And
upon
also
in
we
terms
had
of
pinned
nahi,
all our hopes on Tendulkar. Like all our hopes were on
Yeah,
correct,
Tendulkar for some reason.
yeah,
that time
and it's
India's
very
batting
nice.
was so good that like bowling was like not that up to the mark. Even
Yeah.
though Nehra
Hmm.
and Zahir Khan were there, they were not like believed to be as good or on that
I
level.
mean, see, that's what I'm saying. When you see a like a Lee and Magra come out, you see that the duos there. They had other like in over the years they had Nathan Bracken, they had Sean Tate, they had people like that who came and backed up the bowling. We had people who came in, but we're relying on single people. I think
Yeah.
like right now, no one puts so much pressure on Kohli as much as they put it divided with Sharma, with Rohit
yeah.
Sharma, with Kohli, with multiple other people. Same with bowling also. They don't just say Bumrah hai, but they'll also be like, hey, Chahal also is there.
Yeah.
Which is a very
Shami.
weird, like Shami is there, yeah. Shami is also doing great in like IPL right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
purple cap.
So,
Clearly so far, and he's going to
UZ
do
got it today. So
उसने ले लिया?
Oh yeah, UZ
हाँ.
got purple cap. Yes.
Oh yes. Isal. Okay.
Really deserved the man
ये
of the
साला
match.
purple
Anyway,
cap.
I was gonna say that imagine you're a batsman, okay, and you are first you have to face Lee. You manage
Yeah.
Lee, you have to face Magra. You manage
Yeah,
Magra, you
dude.
have to face Gillespie. You manage Gillespie, Simon. You
Shane
manage
Warne.
Warne.
Shane
Warne.
Warne. Dude,
That's it.
Shane Warne,
Shane-
dude. What a
So
great
these
like,
5 bowlers are enough to, if not take a wicket, they'll at least slow you down or some scare their build. So imagine just standing there and Brett Lee's bouncers coming at your face. Like, what are you going to do? I don't. It doesn't matter if you're ABD Villiers, if you're Virat Kohli. His bouncer is man, dude. And
Yeah.
But
he
again,
saves
that's what.
it.
Do you
He
guys
saves it.
think? Do you guys think like the starting with the whole Ponting and Kohli thing? Do you guys think that how do you think it would turn out with that proper team, that proper squad that we saw of Australia compared to India's today's squad?
Let's
How
say
do you think
that
that would manage?
they are playing 2 tests, 5 ODIs, and 3 T20s. In this scenario,
3 टेस्ट
what
होता
do
है
you
ना
guys
वैसे
think?
3 टेस्ट होता है ना
Whatever.
वैसे like
Okay.
like a
Yeah.
also
Yeah, so 3 tests, 5
Arhan
ODIs, 3 T20s.
देखो उसको स्क्वाड दिखाना है क्या तो और इजी हो जाएगा
Squad
नहीं
नहीं मतलब ढूंढना पड़ेगा गूगल करना पड़ेगा
अच्छा
like
वैसे
generally
हाँ
on
तो
general terms you're talking no?
ठीक है
People will understand anyway
हाँ हाँ ठीक है छोड़ जिसको
Cool.
पता है
So
वो
let's
पता
take it as 2 tests,
हाँ
5 ODIs, 3 T20s. What do you think will happen? Let's start with tests. And let's go with the test teams of those particular eras as well.
where is it
I
happening though
feel
is it happening
yeah
in
is it
India or
India
Australia?
is it Australia yeah
I don't
because that
know,
is a very
like a neutral place. Maybe
don't say
England.
England oh England is very interesting for India and Australia both
Yeah,
because
like,
Yeah,
both suck.
Commonwealth, our colonials.
it's like alumni we are also alumni
Yeah,
They are also
reunion of sorts in a way.
colonization
Let's divide the thing. Okay, we'll keep
Yeah,
certain
fine.
criteria. We'll start with the first criteria. Okay, fitness. What do you guys think? Which team would be more fit?
fitness I think current India do I
Pusham,
think
what do
current
you
India
think? Yeah,
yeah
Australia was very fit.
cool. I'll also go with Australia. I mean, on that regards,
Yeah.
not like fitness to hai, but in terms of the
yeah
physicality aspects.
fair
Yeah,
enough
batting.
Kohli
Bat.
11 versus Australia 11. Sorry,
Dude,
dude
Ponting
it's
11.
very it's very difficult again now because now it's proper equal because Australians had good amount of batsmen like India current has
Yeah.
like we
Yeah,
at that point
they had
our
batsmen till
Indian
7.
squad
They
at
had till
that
Andrew
point
Simons.
yeah dude and then last 4
Kept
are
batting.
like they don't need to bat they don't need to bat because others will do the job they
The
don't need to
destruction
come
has
out.
happened by then. What do you do?
And
Yeah,
for India
they'll
also,
come.
it's like top 3 करते हैं और फिर बाद में कौन
Yeah.
आता है? There's no chance for top. That's why we have never had a number 4 batsman. क्योंकि अपने को experiment ही नहीं किया
Yeah.
है कभी. कि
Yeah.
मतलब कौन खेलेगा?
That's why we have to question it and be like, कौन है dude? हमको
कौन है?
सोचना पड़ रहा है कौन है.
Out
It's
हो गए
like
तो जिस दिन out हो गए उस दिन क्या
so,
करोगे?
So, what's your take, guys? Kohli 11 batting or Ponting 11 batting? For me, India 11,
dude,
Kohli
I
11.
love.
Yeah, because it's just so many batsmen keep coming, dude. You can just still Hardik Pandya also can hit. Bhuvneshwar Kumar also can hit if he wants to. So I think it's just crazy that we can bat till 7 and still have like 5 bowlers.
I think with Australia.
I think yeah. बोल.
हाँ, so basically if I think of Australia, uh, they never had a specific issue with any batting position. Like opening batsman set.
Yeah.
Gilchrist Hayden
Yeah.
or
Hayden, oh my god, what a
Gilchrist or
great pair.
Catich.
Mongoose.
Yeah, Mongoose तभी exist नहीं करता था but ठीक है. But then there was number 3 like anywhere you go, ठीक है, anywhere, any team, anywhere, Ponting is number 3. Like
Yeah.
if there's one batsman in World 11 or any all-time 11,
Yeah.
Ponting has
Number
to be
3.
given number 3. वो set है. Ponting को number 3 देना ही देना है. Number 4 Damian Martin. who used to play.
Yeah,
उसके जगह पे
yeah,
और भी लोग
yeah,
खेलते थे कभी-कभी,
yeah.
but Damien Martin.
And then
Clark
they
was
were
there
that,
sometimes.
but Damien Martin then became
Husky.
the test player.
Yeah. Then there was
And then
Michael
there was
Hussey and Michael
Clark,
Clark. Yeah.
but there was Clark and there was Simons.
Simons, yeah. Clark, Hussey, and Simons. Like this was their middle
And
order.
then came Shane Warne, and then
Yeah.
Gillespie, and then Lee, and then McGrath.
Now let's look at India. Now let's look at India. Okay. Opening batsman, Rohit Sharma,
Shikhar Dhawan,
yeah.
Virat
One
Kohli.
down, Virat Kohli. Like
Okay,
when
good
it comes to
choice.
Virat Kohli and Ricky Ponting, I think it's
Same,
equal.
yeah.
Like same. No
Yeah.
differences. Number 4, we
In the
still,
opening, but just to compare, in the opening, I would say Hayden over Dhawan, dude.
I would
Any
say,
day.
yeah. I would say Hayden
Any
Gilchrist
day.
both. No, I would say Rohit over
Hayden Gilchrist
Gilchrist.
both. No, Rohit, dude. Rohit, I had to.
I would say
No, see,
Rohit.
Gilchrist, Hayden together, great.
Yeah.
But in this case, Rohit cool. But
I think
Dhawan-
Rahul and Rohit, like the most
Yeah.
two common Indian names. I think both of these are
But they
our
haven't-
everything.
But they haven't played. Like, if they start playing more regularly, it'll be fun to watch them now. I think after this, maybe because KL Rahul's killing it in
Hey,
IPL this
KL
year.
is our Udga, dude. He'll play. You watch.
R Udga with Mumbai Udga.
Rohit is our mulga.
Like pushing to India, I would choose Australia, dude, for batting. Even though I love India's squad currently, but I really looked up to, like, at one point as a cricket fan, I was like, dude, Australian squad is kick ass. Like उस time पे ऐसा कोई team नहीं था जिसमें 5 down तक भी तुम्हें डर नहीं लग रहा कि तुम्हारी team हारने वाला है. Even at 5 down, you're like, we'll belt, dude, we'll manage. So I think Australia for.
I think I would go with India.
Confusion,
I would go with
confusion,
India.
confusion.
What confusion है, but I'll go with India because see, if you look at the stats in terms of Gilchrist Hayden opening partnership and Shikhar Dhawan Rohit Sharma opening partnership,
Yeah.
Rohit and Shikhar have been more successful in terms of getting 1,000+ runs together as an opening pair. And if you look at Virat Kohli at one down, these three have just been formidable in terms of कि मतलब ये खेल जाते थे. Like Australia के 5 विकेट गिरते ही थे because obviously they were aggressive also. India has been one of those teams who like to anchor their innings, who start slow then pick up so fast that you can't catch them. It's as simple as that.
Yeah,
And
exactly. And if an opener can score 264 runs, then you can see.
yeah. I mean, you consider
What a
all of
great
those
match.
things. Yeah, like India के
Yeah.
opening batsman, the top order only bats till 50 overs. So I would say that I would give that to India. कि हाँ ठीक है, भले ही तुम्हारा lower order was not that strong compared to Australia, I would still give that to India.
Bowling, okay. What do you guys think of bowling? Very interesting
Australia,
bowling.
no
is.
doubt, dude. How they
dude.
come with.
I mean, the thing is, I wanted to say
No
Australia,
doubt.
but I was just waiting. I was just like, where do I go?
I know we have Bumrah.
I love Lee. I love Lee, dude. Lee is one of the best bowlers I have ever come across in my life.
Dude, I mean, you have to go to Australia, dude. अपने इधर हर मैच में स्पिनर चेंज होता है, उनका एक ही कांस्टेंट था. तो मतलब you have to respect that.
Then you test or one day Shane Warne would come do the job and
there was still no perfect set combination when it comes to bowling in India, like in the Indian team. Bumrah रहता है, there is still like 2 other people, like Shami बीच में आएगा, then there'll be some parts where Umesh Yadav plays. I don't know how Umesh Yadav plays, but he plays well for India.
in spinners we have Kuldeep
Yeah, surprisingly. How is that even possible?
Yeah.
It's like you forget how to play when you come to play with RCB. Like, how is that even a thing?
Yeah.
And I know even in like WCC he has such a high rating, and I'm like, bro, why are you doing this to us?
In terms of consistency,
WCC.
I feel like Australia and quality obviously. Australia doesn't.
For years they had the same team and they managed well without any like hassle, without any problems whatsoever.
Next criteria is fielding.
Fielding.
This is a tough
Fielding is a
one.
little
This is a tough
tricky.
one.
It's a little tricky, yeah. Because India has good fielders now. Very
India
good
has
fielders
really
now.
good fielders now. India
Very
has
good
really
fielders now. Like, I can't emphasize on how good. And Australia
But
at that point were good.
that also comes down to the fitness thing, no? So I think
Yes.
fielding and fitness almost is like similar in this case. Because the
India,
fitter you are, the better fielder you are.
India, dude. India. The way I've seen India transform from how they were in 2003 to 7 and right now the fielding is madness. The way they're like doing things. And because उस टाइम पे वो 359 कैसे मारा? क्योंकि फील्डिंग नहीं किया, dude, हमने ढंग से और हमने बॉलिंग भी अच्छे से नहीं किया वो वर्ल्ड कप में. But I'm saying right now, if you see our current record last few years with Australia, there's been so much change. We've been able to restrict them. We've been able to make them scared of this team. Yeah, dominate them. Correct. Dominate them in this. Whereas Australia always felt like the bap of the thing, saying हम कर देंगे, ठीक है. So I think India, dude. India.
It's really hard to say, dude,
It
because
is. It is.
Simons used to in the
Yeah.
covers he used to get every ball. Ricky Ponting in the slip he will not miss a
Even
catch.
Clark. Even Clark. Yeah.
And Gilchrist as a keeper we know he's top 3 if not the best.
If you look at the number of good fielders in one team, I think I would say Australia's 10 out of 11 players were good fielders. Leave McGrath aside. He was tall. It wasn't easy for him to.
Magra is like the Per Mertesacker of
Yeah, he was
Australia.
like
Tall and slow.
उसको रखते भी थर्ड मैन पे थे, उसको रखते भी थर्ड मैन पॉइंट ये सब जगह पे थे जहाँ पे बॉल
Good
ज्यादा
one.
जाता ही नहीं था. So basically, if you remove him from the equation, in India, you could say
No, dude. Almost
there are
everyone.
7 out of 11 or maybe 8 out of 11 players in terms
I
of
don't
good
trust
fielders.
Bumrah to field well or Shami to field well. They are not there
Shami,
for that. No.
Bumrah, Ishant Sharma, Umesh is a good fielder. Yuzvendra Chahal, not a great.
He's a good fielder. He's a good fielder.
अबे Chahal
He's also a good fielder.
नहीं Chahal.
Yeah, dude. I think he's a good fielder.
Chahal
चल ठीक है.
आज तो खुद बोला
चल
हूँ कि आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन माय फील्डिंग.
अरे वो
Because
तो
I should
अभी
draw.
वो अलग है.
वो modest है ना.
After taking 5 wickets, I'm like, it's okay. I have to practice more. Okay, boys. I have to get 10. I have to be Anil Kumble in T20. I don't want to be in Test.
That will be mind blowing.
I know, right? I will lose it, dude. If Yuzvendra Chahal gets 10 wickets in IPL.
I will get Yuzvendra piercings on my
Jersey?
ears.
Oh, no. That's too much. I'll get a jersey. That's all right.
Chahal. Chahal.
You're using. On the other year, why you said I?
Kohli
Yeah.
will
Anyway, coming back. I
Okay,
think
okay.
Australia for me.
Okay, Australia. So even Arhan is Australia. I
Cool.
am India.
Yeah, last criteria, temperament / mentality, how they pace themselves on field, how
This is
they
also very
take in the
interesting.
pressure of the
Oh,
game, and if they're under pressure for some reason that they're in a losing cause, how do they okay, let's base it on how the captain would take a loss and how he would set a comeback, like if they've lost
A
4
tone,
wickets in
in a
10
tone.
overs.
Oh, acha, वैसा.
Yeah, if they've lost 10 wickets, 4 wickets in 10 overs, and then they have to bat for the next 40 overs and somehow manage to reach the score. Yeah, so two cases. One, how they face a loss, and how they come from like a impossible situation.
Again, very tricky because it's very 50-50 in that sense, because both of them are very aggressive in that sense. Is that Kohli is more animated than Ponting was. But I think both of them have a great amount of like aggression in terms of that dude. But
I think
what if
for
they
me,
lose?
I think Kohli, dude, because when he loses, it sort of fuels him. He's like, how can you defeat me? I am, you know who I am. He's like that. So
yeah, and the thing is, and the good part is, he only shows that on field. He's like, I lost on the field. I will show it back to you on the field itself. And if not this year, he's like, I'll come back next year, but I will do this.
Yeah. And he remembers that grudge, and he's like, listen, I'm here to win. I'm here to do a job. And he takes, I think he's a chaser, dude. Except for somehow only for RCB he doesn't chase. Same like Umesh Yadav. Like they somehow forget that they are world class players when they're playing for Bangalore.
Also, Virat Kohli is the highest paid in IPL, highest.
And highest run scorer also. So it's cool. Like we get it, man. We get it.
But that's what I like. I think I like Kohli in that sense again, because like Ponting का वो था कि अभी का अभी खत्म करके फिर आगे देखते रहो, अगला टूर है वो मैं नई तरीके से देखूंगा. Kohli would come back with a fresher mindset where he's like, I have this fighting ability and I will show you the fighting ability. And only for the reason that he's proven where he's like, I will show you a better team, a faster team, a more fitter team, and I will scare you. And there was a time when England or Australia were a little scared to face India. Not even scared, but they felt like, हाँ, अभी बराबर का competition लग रहा है. It's not like, अरे कौन सा team आ गया.
You could say that India, from the subcontinent, India was the only team where teams like Australia, England, and South Africa were actually intimidated by in some sort.
They were.
Yeah, South Africa also. Like if you look at it, see when Ponting and company got sledged, you know, these people who were like, you know, how can you they used to get riled up.
Very angry.
Very angry. Just you can't do that. You can't do that to us. And somewhere, okay, when a team stands up to them, they get a little shaky. With India, whoever stands up to them, India is like, we are not going to get shaky. तुम कर लो जितना मर्जी तुमको नाचना है यहाँ पे. नाच लो तुम, हम लोग भी उतना ही तुमको देंगे वापस. You know,
Yeah.
they're not one of those teams who's going to go into the opponent's face directly. You know, खुद से नहीं जाएंगे. They'll wait for the opposition to come on them. Australia was on
Yeah,
the
dude.
other hand one of those teams who would like to go in faces of. Ponting was like, हाँ मैं तेरे मुंह पे आऊंगा.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if you
He
like,
would rile people up
yeah.
so that they would come back to them and they'll be like, अच्छा तू मेरे को बोल रहा है, वापस मेरे
हाँ.
को बोलेगा तू, अभी रुक तू. ले तू
So
रुक
I
जा.
mean
And
that
that
somewhere took the game away from Australia also. Like whenever
Yeah,
Kohli, like individually, if you remember to the 2012 tour, where India had the worst season under Dhoni, where they lost 4-0
yeah,
in the end. They went to Australia, they lost 4-0 there also. And Kohli basically had this verbal thing with every Australian player, all the 11 players in the Australian team. Everyone used to come poke him in the middle over, used to give it back, and that's how he scored 100. Until then, he hadn't scored 100. He comes there, first ODI, first Test 100, scores it in Australia, nowhere else. India में भी नहीं मारा, सीधा ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके मारा. I mean that shows how,
and in cricket, that's a very big deal.
yeah.
If
and
you're able to
that
hit.
iconic
And that time
celebration of
Ponting was there.
Yeah,
him
And that
showing
time
his
Ponting
bat and
was
he's
there.
like
Yeah. That
oh
time,
man, that was such a,
yeah.
oh, it was such a, he
that
got it, dude.
celebration,
That was the
dude. That
moment. That is a, but I think
Dude,
as an
if you
Indian cricket
see,
fan, there was
yeah.
a moment where all of us could stand up and be like, dude, we can face Australia, dude. We're not scared of
Dude,
Australia.
the,
Fuck you, dude.
even
Like,
that tour, nobody, even Indian fans and Australian fans also, everyone was like, okay, India is coming this time. Okay, this is not going to be easy. And we were like, India, Australia गया है. We don't feel like India, Australia गया है. इनको ऐसे लग रहा है normal चल रहा है यहाँ पे. हम जीत के आएंगे. ये टीम क्या ही है?
yeah,
अपनी टीम जीत
yeah.
के. It was that kind of a thing. And even in the documentary, if you've seen the documentary, when they
Make
introduce India, when they introduce Virat Kohli, the press goes mad, the players go mad, the team meetings
Yeah,
are just about him. You know, they're like, how
yeah.
do we not?
It's so cool.
How do, yeah,
Exactly. One
like
person. They're
one
like team
person,
के लिए अलग से prepare करेंगे, but विराट के लिए अलग से prepare
yeah,
करो तुम.
like this
That's
was it. They were like,
Pushank
how
mute
do we
पे.
tackle India?
Mute पे Pushank.
shit. Sorry, guys.
ये फोन पे ही
Hey.
होता है, पता नहीं चलता फोन पे कि
Yeah,
म्यूट हो गया. हाँ तो
yeah. So
हाँ
I
अब
saw
बोल.
this team meeting, and they were like, okay, Virat Kohli, best player hands down. What do we do? Tim Payne is just like Brad Haddon was there. So Brad Haddon has faced Virat Kohli before. He has sledged him. Virat Kohli scored 100. Now Brad Haddon is
He's
there.
like
He's like, don't poke him.
मत करो मत
Don't
करो
poke him.
उसको खेलने दो
You give
dude
him,
उसको
yeah,
चुपचाप.
you give him something or his players, he's gonna give it back to you in style. If you like keep shut, he won't do anything. First match they didn't
Yeah,
send it
but
to him. Virat Kohli failed, but
हाँ.
India won. Second match, Virat Kohli tried to get under their skin. This time Virat Kohli turned the tables. He tried to get under their skin. Then Tim Payne said something to him very lightly. Virat heard that. Virat scored 100. Then cut to Tim Payne, Justin Langer, Australia's head coach, they're in the dressing room. Tim Payne comes to him and tells him, I broke my own code. He's like, what code? He's like, I said something to Virat.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah, yeah.
shit! And everyone in the dressing room is like, oh shit! Now
No,
what?
no one was
Now,
there. He said it under. See, he said it very
oh अच्छा.
like he made sure that no one was around. Like no one
Oh,
understood
okay,
that
okay.
he did that because if the captain is setting wrong examples right now, and
Was this the same? Was this the same one where he said something and he turned around near the umpire and he's like, "What? Whoa, you?"
yeah,
And he's like,
match, that
maintain
match,
your cool,
yeah,
Virat. Keep your cool, Virat." He's as if, "Oh,
that
okay,
match.
okay."
So that match,
He's like, मेरे को बोलेगा cool
yeah.
रखने के लिए साले तू रुक मैं
And
इतना दूर ऑस्ट्रेलिया आया
that
क्रिकेट
match,
खेलने के लिए.
India's bowlers tormented Australia. कि ऑस्ट्रेलियन
Yeah,
बैलर्स
yeah, that
आके
was
उनकी
one
गांड
tour.
फट गई थी मतलब वो गए वहां
Yeah.
पे एंड ऑस्ट्रेलियंस आर लाइक फक हाउ डू वी फेस देम एरन फिंच फर्स्ट बॉल इंजर्ड उसके हाथ पे बॉल लगी जसप्रीत बुमराह hit it in one of the cracks it bounced very rarely अचानक उसके हाथ में घुस गया same thing lot of them got hits on their body like अचानक से and Virat Kohli was laughing from behind so that was the impact that his team had that was the statement that he was out to make that we are not here to play random shit we are here to play good game but unfortunately, India lost that game, but they came back and they won the series anyway. So I feel that
But
India edges out Australia.
India, even I will go in India too. Even I'll go to India for like
so
all of this.
temperament goes to India then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Australia win the first series 3-2.
3-2. Yeah.
Well done, well done.
Get it.
5 ODIs. With let's say you want to rotate your squad at some point because all of them can't play 5 matches continuously. And yeah, let's keep the squad depth also in mind and the ODI squad. No, we'll forget the test squad now. So I don't think Shane Warne is part of this? Is he?
No, he was still a long time, but
Shane
then
Warne
Yeah.
till
he became.
2007.
He's like what Ashwin, like how Ashwin in India,
Yeah.
he was first playing for one day and then he started playing only for Test.
I mean,
So he
later
was a Test
Did we
specialist.
include him?
Australia just dropped a spinner. They never played a spinner again.
Team batting second has to chase 350. Which team do you think will get it?
India. India.
Yeah.
India.
Okay, so ting.
I don't care.
One
I
to
don't
India.
care if Australia has the best bowling lineup, but India, like
And even if
Cool.
Australia has a batting lineup, but India, dude. India
India के
350
bowler
means,
मार
yeah.
खाएंगे. India के bowler मार खाएंगे, no doubt.
350 means from the 350 means from the first ball Virat Kohli is ready. He's
Rohit
sitting.
Sharma will
He's
come. His vada pav energy will
double
just
100.
fucking kill them.
Double 100. That is the match with double 100, dude. That's the match with double 100. And then remaining other people will do. Because see, in the team meeting, everyone's like, देख रोहित, score तेको पता है. आज तू decide कर ले तेको 150 मारना है, 200 मारना है.
200 मारना है. रॉबिन तो पर रहेगा उधर 10 रन मारेगा वो.
Rohit Sharma has this record of every time he runs out the non-striker, and Virat Kohli has been on that end for the longest time. He scores 100. So he ran out Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli was in that form that he would have scored 100. So Rohit went and scored a double 100.
200, and he's like, ये तेरे लिए मेरे लिए दोनों के लिए तेरा out कर
So sweet. That's bromance, dude. That is beautiful.
Virat Kohli is applauding from the balcony. He's like, चल रहा है अपना.
चलेगा, dude.
चल रहा है.
I feel like I understand that.
Okay, let's say that the team has to
chasing India. Cool.
India. So 1 point. Let's say that the team bowling second has to defend a score of 220. Which team do you think will defend that score?
So you're saying, defend. Okay.
Defend.
So the team batting first has scored 220. Which team would you pick?
Australia. 220 is a very interesting target because I feel like if India was there, maybe they'll give it away. 220, I don't know, is very less. Yeah, 50 overs. Yeah, I think Australia.
I think India, dude, because Chahal, Bumrah, he's world class, dude. I think because and the lack of spinners in Australia might say something.
वो तो है. But then again, they can cover it up with the kind of class they have with like. And उस time पे, if I consider ODI, then I would take Shane Warne also.
But you have to also consider that like Brett Lee is bowling to Rohit Sharma. Brett Lee is not bowling to anybody.
I know, but Brett Lee is also Brett Lee. Rohit Sharma is also Rohit Sharma. That's why it's interesting to see both of them like play.
I think India would be able to defend it because I think they would.
थोड़ा track record, थोड़ा इंडिया का डिफेंड करते वक्त थोड़ा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड आरसीबी जैसा है. वो थोड़ा नहीं कर पाते. वो बैटिंग कर लेते डूड, लेकिन थोड़ा.
No, but I would go with Australia because we have seen this with Virat Kohli and India, where they have had to defend totals like 300 plus totals also, and sometimes when the match is slipping away from their hands, when Dhoni was there, okay, India found a way to stop the scoring, and they would have defended the total. But whenever Virat Kohli, I've seen him under pressure, somewhere you feel that he takes a rash decision here and there, where he'll put a Umesh Yadav for no reason in the middle overs instead of a spinner, or instead of a spinner, like instead of using a pace bowler, he'll use a spinner. So matlab that his algorithms and his probabilities get fucked there somewhere. When it comes to defending totals. He gets confused. He's like, "Arey fuck, matlab ye bhi ho gaya, arey fuck wo ho gaya." So somewhere I feel that in terms of clear-cut plans, Ponting was strategically very smart. And I like intelligence-wise, I would pick Ponting, and to defend low totals like 220, 250 below, something like that, you need an intelligent brain to. Like, I'm not saying Virat Kohli is not intelligent, but compared to Ponting, I think Ponting was.
I think like I feel like in that terms, like if India was given a target, no matter how huge the target is, they would still be more confident saying, "हाँ हम जाके chase कर लेंगे." But if they had, like, you can see their body language feeling a little off when they know the opposition it needs to hit only 220 out of 300 balls, and opposition as soon as they come, especially like a team like Australia would come. And they would start belting, dude. Like Gilchrist Hayden would start. They would never wait. उस time पे they were those people. ऐसे अभी T20 में कैसे फर्स्ट ओवर में लोग मारने लगते हैं, वैसे उस टाइम पे they were the only team I feel. Like Sehwag was there.
Sehwag was there. Yeah. Sehwag used to some reckless driving.
Yeah. But again, I'm saying
4 he had a streak in World Cup.
Yeah.
That ended in the final.
But for Australia, it was both the players.
Yeah, it ended in the final. Oh, so sad.
Long
You made
streak.
it sad. In 1 second, you made it sad, bro.
Oh my god, fuck.
Okay,
Yeah, so in that sense,
let's say
yeah.
that you have to come back, like you have to come back from a game. Which team do you think would be able to turn the game around? Saying that the like whoever, like the team bowling second, they have to come back, or the team batting second has to come back
I think this is contrasting, but I would pick India now because
Yeah, even
to
I was
turn the
thinking of the
game
same
not
around.
thing.
not because of
Yeah.
Kohli, but because of Dhoni. Uh, because see, Ponting,
Yeah, you know what happened? Yeah,
when
exactly. That's what
Ponting was
happens.
the captain, he was the sole captain. For him, it was him and the coach.
Hmm.
With Kohli, he had Dhoni, and he always had Dhoni in high regards. So, in those terms, to come back from a match, there's no one better than MS Dhoni. Be it IPL, we've seen that in IPL, we've seen that in international stage, where India, like Champions Trophy final 2013, if you'll remember the match.
Yeah, yeah. Oh fuck.
India had to defend 113 20 overs. They were losing 114 for 4 England का score है. Okay, England barely had to chase 26 and 4 overs. That's nothing.
And
Change
they
that
still
happened.
managed.
And like Dhoni is mastermind dude. Or फिर वो 2007 T20 World Cup. Like all of
2007 also, yeah, yeah.
like all of these things. If you think
People
of
I feel
still date, till they talk about that whole Jogendra Sharma pick, dude. And
yeah,
still it worked out.
and so many
It could
times
have
we've
gone the other way
seen
around.
like whenever Dhoni was there, Virat Kohli made a choice. He's like, I want Bumrah to bowl, but Dhoni is like, no, Bumrah, you stay. Hardik, you come. Like he's just changed the decision on the flip of a second because he's like, no, listen to me. I know this.
Yeah,
मैंने
yeah.
किया हुआ
Even
है.
I think,
Like
yeah,
go
even I
go
would go
go
with
with
India,
mine.
dude.
Yeah. And Virat Kohli is
to
like,
No,
turn
no,
around
yeah.
the game.
Also because like agar third, like if Virat Kohli goes out, okay. Like earlier we had like Yuvraj Singh and all उस time पे जब वो आते थे. But I'm saying fourth ठीक है आ गया whatever. The hope comes that Dhoni comes out again and you're like
yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है. I still have something कि वो कुछ तो कर देगा. ठीक है तो वो I think
And I
that
think
works.
for Kohli, it's like one Bollywood movie where
I
like even
mean,
though Dhoni is gone, he's still like Dhoni hote to kya karte, and then he's just like going to this flashback mode, and then suddenly he gets this crazy thought that I should switch up the bowling. Bumrah, Bairda, Pandya, Aja, and then he just wrecks the team. So I feel like Kohli has that Dhoni factor. Ponting doesn't.
Ponting doesn't. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that is
so
a
that
lack.
sense
That
yes.
is a lack of consequence on Ponting's side, I guess.
So again, yeah. So change in game would be India then.
So yeah, I think this round, I mean this part of the round,
3-1.
we can give it 2-1, 2 to India, and
Oh, sorry.
One to
1
Australia.
1 to Australia. Cool. So this is ODIs. Let's go to T20s.
India.
T20.
India. पूरा T20.
No questions, India.
India. Why?
But again, see, do you think, I mean, even I'm for India, but do you think, like, again, the opening pair, I'm focusing so much on the opening pair and the one down, three batsmen, okay, or Australia. Do you think they would actually, they were ready for T20 in 2003 when they do? 2007, actually 2007, they were ready for T20.
We have to assume that they are. That for the sake of this conversation, we have to assume that they are.
Yeah. I mean, I'm
Okay,
saying, but because of the way they played,
No, but
because of the way
actually,
they played, they were
if you
able.
look at it, that squad played in the 2007 World Cup also. The
Actually,
T20
yeah,
World
that's what I was
Cup,
thinking.
Ponting's
Yeah,
team.
yeah.
So, I mean, it's okay to have them in
It
that.
was not the same. It was
Yeah.
not the same because Lee, I think Lee नहीं था उसमें. Lee
नहीं थे सब
वगैरह एक कोई में से.
मैगरा
Oh,
नहीं
अच्छा,
था
पूरा team.
नेथन
हाँ,
रैकन
मैगरा ही
and
था.
Bradley was there
Nathan Bracken.
and Sean Tate.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Bob Sean Tate was one
Saunders was
fucking
attacking. Yeah.
fireball,
He-
macha.
See, the way I would look
Whole-
at this is for T20s, India is more like an all-round team. Australia was
Yeah.
very one-directional.
Yeah.
We will play this way only. India,
Because उस time पे भी tests कम थे. Only ODI was the most format that they played,
Yeah.
most games they played. So they only then mentally prepared for ODI.
yeah.
But I'm saying if you guys had to put them in a T20 position, like right now, current speed of the game, then how would you rate them then? Would you still tell India? Like, let's just forget asking any other question in T20. The only question we have for all of us is who do you think would stand as a team in T20? In everything, chasing, putting up a score, suddenly, जैसे हम IPL में देखते हैं कि 15 ओवर तक, they're only 120. Suddenly, they're like 200 by the end of the last 5 overs. So I'm saying in all of those contexts, what comes to your head?
I think Australia would be able to adapt, dude. Like I know it's like I feel like it's a very thin line that we're drawing. like saying that Ponting's Australia didn't play as much as T20. But I'm assuming that if they did, and if they did make it this far, then there is no way that they wouldn't have adapted to it, because they are the greatest team, and it's not like they became that overnight. It was a journey from 1999 when they won their World Cup, and then 3 World Cups in a row. So if you're saying that a team which has played 3 World Cups cannot adapt to a form, that is a little unfair to the team. I'm sure that at some point Simons would have become the Andre Russell of their team, or at some
He
point
was. He was
Anandabhusha
always
would
the
have.
Andre Russell of that team.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm sure, dude. And like in death bowling, if you get McGrath, then who will face his Yorkers? Like Lee, you can still belt, but McGrath you can't, because you can't judge how the ball falls, because he doesn't show his hand properly when he's bowling, so you don't know how the ball is coming in. So I don't know. I think for me it would be Australia, because they would adapt. They would adapt really
Australia?
well.
Okay.
I would say India because yeah,
Even I would say
firstly
India, dude. Even I would say
firstly
India.
I'll go on the lines ki uh, Australia would have been more technical. India would have been more desi in their approach, if that's how I want to
Hmm.
put it. You know, the amount of gully cricket that's been played in India. वो जो X factor
Yeah.
बोलते हैं ना अपन element of surprise. I don't think
Hmm.
Australia would have had a element of surprise as such, because
Hmm.
see, in terms of the current players, yes, they have been innovative because they've played in Big
Hmm.
Bash, they've played in CPL, they've played in IPL, but that team, that time the exposure wasn't that much. For India, अपन like बचपन से whoever it is, we have always like
Yeah. Yeah.
Dhoni used to play helicopter. फिर वो Suresh Raina's inside, all of those shots that were there at that point. These things come naturally to you, and that's why India is a better T20 side than a lot of the teams in the world.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Because
T20 is more about a quick wit, like
thinking,
उस
हाँ,
moment पे क्या कर सकते
उस
हो तुम.
moment पे क्या कर सकते हो? Like if you remember this, Gautam Gambhir once set a defensive like attacking field जो टेस्ट में सेट करते हैं ना अपन. He said that
Hmm.
against Dhoni in an IPL match because Dhoni's team was losing और वैसे ही pressure बहुत ज्यादा था. So he's like, I'll put an attacking team, I'll wind them up easily. तो मतलब वो एक X factor रहता है ना, to go with an attacking mindset all the time and to know when to change the cards and know when to have that bringing that X element that you're talking about.
Can I change my answer, because what Aran is saying is kind of convincing me?
तू
It
खेला
makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of
तू
sense. I
खेला
just
है ना
feel like,
रास्ते पे खेले नहीं है like we know it these
हाँ हाँ
shots.
हाँ हाँ yeah.
हम आड़े पट्टे में अपन एक्सपर्ट है यार. इंडिया की कोई भी बोल दो, हम जाके खेल के आएंगे आड़े
true,
पट्टे.
true.
अभी नहीं.
Yeah,
जब
I'm
अपन
gonna change my answer to India in T20.
yeah.
Yeah. I think that
Cool.
works.
So I guess overall, India would win this huge
Contest.
series in a neutral ground.
Yeah.